Good day everyone. So my name is LEE ZHI XUAN. This video I will explain about the STPM Biology Chapter 2 Cell Structure and Organelles Topic 2.2 Cellular Component. Okay, so this video I will explain about the organelles inside the cells. This is the organelles that you need to learn that you need to learn and also included within the cell. So I think this one you also learn in SPM, right? So you can see nucleus, mitochondria, cytoskeleton, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, cell wall, vacuole, Golgi apparatus, and also ribosome. So all these are organelles that you need to learn about that have been found in the cells. So what you need to learn? You need to learn about their structure and also function. These two things only. The structure of the organelles and also the function of the organelle. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 organelles. You need to learn and need to know and need to memorize it lah. Okay, so the difference between the SPM is in STPM you should learn in more detail and know the more function compared to the SPM. Why? Because in SPM, I think most of you just know the basic structure and also basic function only. But in STPM, it is highly possible when it come out in essay question. Got 1 year they come out is you need to explain the function of lysosome. The answer, the question is asking you to give the 4 or 5 function of the lysosome. So you need to, of course, you need to live at 4. But normally in SPM, I think you only memorize 1 function. Lysosome function is what? Kill the pathogen. That's all. I think in SPM you just learn about that. So actually there are many functions that can be occurred in these all organelles. So you need to know very detailed to avoid when the examination come out, essay question come out, especially in essay, the question is very easy but you don't know how to answer it because you not read well. Okay. So this video I will only explain the nucleus. Okay. So nucleus is the largest organelles in the cells. Whatever organelles, plant cell and animal cell, nucleus only happen present in eukaryotic cell only, right? So whatever plant cell or animal cell, nucleus is the largest organelles in the cells. So normally it is located in the center lah. You can see here. This is the diagram. The cell, animal cell, and then this one purple color is the organelles. So this is the largest organelle. So when they enlarge, it will become like that. So you can see that normally nucleus is located, the endoplasmic reticulum is located aligned with the nucleus one. So for this one, I will only focus on nucleus. So the structure of the nucleus is shown before. So it is the largest organelle. So normally it's 5 micrometer. When it is spherical or oval in shape, and then they are consist of nuclear envelope, or we call a spore complex, which is double membrane enclose the nucleus. So you can see that if you see this diagram, nucleus actually is the membrane bound nucleus. This is a circular shape, spherical shape, and containing membrane. And then the membrane is double membrane. You can see here there are 2 layer membrane, right? The inner membrane layer and also outer membrane layer. And then between the membrane, the membrane they containing nuclear pore. So nuclear pore is you can say it is the hole, lubang hole within the nucleus. So why there are the function of the nuclear pore? So normally the function of the nuclear pore is to let the mRNA that you learn in chapter 1, mRNA that can be passed through from the nucleus. Okay, a nucleus. So the membrane is made up of lipid bilayers separated by space of 20 to 40 nanometers. So this is just a section lah. The membrane layer between the membrane layer. And then the envelope is perforated by pore structure with diameter of 100 nanometer. Just want to tell you that each pore structure is 100 nanometer lah. And then the nuclear pore is called pore complex. So you can also consider as pore complex lah. So as you know that nucleus containing DNA, containing chromosome, right? Carrying genetic information in form of chromosome, which is the chromosome is very long DNA chain that is associated with the histone protein. So you can see this. So when you go into the nucleus, there are many chromatin or chromosome at here. And when you enlarge all the chromatin, you can see it is the very long DNA strand, and each DNA strand is associated with the histone protein. So this is the structure lah. And there are also the nuclear matrix is the framework of protein fiber extending throughout the nuclear interval. So you can see this diagram. When you see this diagram, so this diagram normally it does not have the real structure of the nuclear matrix. So normally it's at here lah. At the between the inside the nucleus, they are containing nucleus matrix. It is the protein fiber throughout all the nuclear interval, and also carry genetic information. And then the complex of DNA and protein will form the chromosome is chromatin. So this is a segment. Chromatin is a segment of the chromosome, and then once the chromatin is associated together, they will form chromosome. So in human, they are containing 46 chromosomes, right? You will have 46 chromosomes. Okay, and then and then they are also containing the nucleolus at the center. It is a non-dividing substance we call as nucleolus at the center. Okay, so this is all about the structure of the nucleus. Now we go to function. Okay, so each structure of the function, they have their own function. So normally, pore complex or nuclear pore is the function that provide the movement between the nucleus and also cytoplasm and also protein lah. So normally all the mRNA, mRNA and protein, they can move easily from the nucleus into the cytoplasm through this nuclear pore. And also the another one is nuclear lamina. So there are the another substance is we call as nuclear lamina, which is a nuclear matrix. Nuclear lamina actually is like the body skeleton, our bone body to provide mechanical support and maintain the shape of the nucleus. So this is like play the role like the our bone lah. But for nucleus, the bond, you can say the bond is we call as nuclear lamina. And also both nuclear lamina and matrix help to organize the genetic material. Okay, and then the nucleolus. So the function of the nucleolus at the center of the nucleus is the place to synthesize RNA. This is the place where RNA is produced. So the protein will import to nucleolus to assemble with RNA into ribosome. So your nucleus is the place to synthesize protein by mRNA that later will be transported out from nucleus for translation in ribosome by DNA. In general, transcription process is occur inside the nucleus. Nucleus is the place where the mRNA is produced through the transcription process. This is a general function of DNA nucleus. Okay, so so that's all for this video. Next video, I will explain about the other type of organelle. So hopefully you guys can understand about it. So thank you.